Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, we are doing Amaya Raine Day, and we offer that up as a challenge for everybody to join in with their rainbow high, shadow high dolls. Honestly, we don't care which one you use. We just want you to join in on the fun. I got out, I love my 24-inch, and this monthly challenge just gives me a reason to bring her down and sew and fool around with her a little bit. I mean, really, this hair is just incredible. I love, love, love this doll. This month we challenged you to do Christmas with your Rainbow High dolls, and I had this little fat quarter that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I bought it this spring or summer, and I thought, oh, you know what, that'd make a cute Sally dress for one of my, Amaya Raine, because of the rainbow colors and everything. I just thought it worked. And then I found this little purse. Well, purses. When Darren and I were traveling, we get our gas at Love's, the gas station Love, and they have these cute little purses. I mean, that's cute. Look at the little handle. They're $5.99, and when I saw this rainbow one, I thought, oh, Amaya Raine. And then I bought this one, and it has kind of a, I don't know, velvet or flocked. I think it's like velveteen. And I bought it, and I really liked it. And then I saw another one in velvet in another print, and took it up to the register, and it was $9.99. So the velvet ones have gone up, but these have not. But even at $10, if you think about it, a lot of people buy those blind balls with the, or the boxes with the purses in them, and they pay like $10 for those. And this, you can see, it's for a bigger doll. I'm gonna take those tags off. And actually, you could put quite a little money in here. So I thought that was cute. And I also added, well, let me come around. Oh, first I wanted to tell you that this doll I had bought at she was a mess. I bought her at a doll show, I think last year, but I'm not sure. And I love these 28-inch Rainbow High dolls. They have a little button in the back of their head. You can see that. And you press that and their eyes change. And I love it. And then because she's from the swamp, I gave her pearl earrings. But what I was gonna say is, when I was showing this doll, when I bought her, people were saying, I think 2 people said she reminds me of Sally, and I thought, oh, perfect, I'll make her a Sally dress. But her hair, it was a mess. And I got it all combed out. I did the downy dip. It's been some time ago, it still smells good. But let me come around and show you Amaya's outfit. I took an 18-inch pattern that I found on the internet for free. It's a fold-over shirt. You lay it on the fabric so that you have a fold here, and the back is all one piece. And then I just added Velcro. And it came with sleeves, and although Sally doesn't really have puffy sleeves, for a Rainbow High they do. I used a black zigzag stitch on that. And then this is an 18-inch doll pattern, so it's pretty square. I added darts front and back, and gave it a big piece of Velcro. And I added the top darts here. I gave her a little Nightmare Before Christmas charm on a ribbon. I just did a ribbon collab, and I had one of my little dolls had a white shirt, and I had the green ribbon with a Santa Claus charm, and it got behind her back, and I forgot about it. I took the shoe soles that Darren makes for the Amaya Raine. I'm going to bend her leg, and it takes a little bit. I don't want to pressure her too hard. the little shoe soles. And I took a sock, turned it inside out. J Doll taught me this. You turn it inside out, you put it on the doll, and then you pin it so that you get the shape of the leg. Whatever the leg is you're making them for, it really looks nice. So then when I got down to the heel, I backstitched and knotted, is what they call it on a sewing machine. Backstitched and went forward, skipped this much, and then did that again, took it all the way to the toe, put it on, or put this down in the sock, and added a ribbon. I don't know if I like the ribbon. I don't know. I'm going to try it again. Yeah, sometimes her leg is hard to, I'm not going to pressure that on camera. Well, maybe I will. I hate using brute force on her, but sometimes you have to. Let me pull your charm around, because that's how it got forgotten the other day. So that's my Amaya Raine in her little Sally-esque outfit. Today's holiday cheer channel is going to be Never Too Old for Dolls. I watch that channel and she watches mine, and I appreciate that very much. She leaves a comment on my channel. If you will go by Never Too Old for Dolls, on her last video, leave a like, subscribe to her channel, leave a comment, and then leave another comment that's somewhere in it, it says holiday cheer. It's like sending a little Christmas card, but by subscribing to her channel, liking her video, and then going down the line of all the comments, like them, that will up her in the algorithm, and what a nice way to send holiday cheer. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel, and thank you for joining in on the holiday cheer. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.